So what I have here is a Kastar battery charger and new battery I just received. I just want to do a quick unboxing and show you about this battery. So the packages come just like you see here. There's two boxes. The battery comes in this nice hard shell protecting case, and also here is the battery. Here is what it looks like. A very good quality battery. I use this for a camcorder replacement, and this is what it looks like. It's like you can see, and this is the actual charger itself. So the charger itself is a USB-C, so you do have to have your own adapter. It comes with the adapter, but you have to just plug it into your power supply. That simple. This is what it looks like here. Take your battery, super easy to do. This one you just pop it on, slide it right on here, and you can see automatically gives the indicator that it's charging the battery. You can see, so it gives you full feedback. When it's fully charged, that'll be totally green, and your battery is charged. So this is what it looks like. This is how it works. Here is the bottom. Here's what it looks like. I love their products. I always go to this company, Kastar, all the time for the battery chargers, the batteries, replacements, adapters, everything. I love their quality. As you can see here, easy to use and definitely highly recommend. Great product, definitely the way to go.